Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join GMass Affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in GMass Affiliate program and hit enter. After that you will see some search results. On this page you will have to click on this link that says www.gmass.co/affiliate. So click on become a GMass affiliate and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you will have to apply to become a GMass affiliate. So type in your name in the first column, then your email address in the second column and select your payout method in this section. Type in your PayPal's email address. For example, if I select PayPal, I will have to type in my PayPal's email address and click on submit. After I click on submit, I'll be promoted to this page. Now it says request accepted. Your affiliate code and instructions have been sent to this email. So you'll have to log into your Gmail account. Now open a new tab and log into your Gmail account and click on the Gmail received by GMass. So this is the Gmail I received from GMass. Here you'll have to click on this first link. After that, you will see this page. So your GMass affiliate code for account, this is this one. So you'll receive your GMass affiliate code in this section, and in the next para you will learn how to promote GMass affiliate, and they will also notify you if anytime someone you refer takes an action. They will notify you by email. You will get a notification anytime someone installs the GMass Chrome extension, signs up for GMass by linking their Gmail account, or subscribe to a paid plan. So that's how you can join GMass affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.